Oh no, I lost the end. Oh, here it is. Ooh. That would have been terrible. Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today I'm going to show you how to do this. How to make t-shirt yarn. I'm going to cut up a whole bunch of t-shirts and make some yarn and a quilt out of t-shirts. I'll talk more about that later. I've got this pile of t-shirts here. I'm going to cut off the bottom so I can make t-shirt yarn, and then I'm going to cut out the logo and a little bit of the back and make a t-shirt quilt. If you are interested in seeing the t-shirt quilt come together and what I plan for that, let me know in the comments. What I envision for my t-shirt yarn is a crocheted border around my quilt. I don't know if it's gonna look good, but I think that's how I want to use it. Grab your t-shirt and let's lay it out so we can start cutting off the bottom so we can make our yarn. Now that the t-shirt's all laid out, what you're gonna do is just cut off a piece of it. I'm gonna cut off a little bit more stingy than you normally could. You could go right up to the armpits if you weren't saving the t-shirt. I'm going to save my design to go into my quilt. Leave a little bit of seam allowance so you can stitch your designs together with other designs, and then you can start chopping. It's gonna be super easy. I'm saving my tiny shirt for the quilt. Now we've got this tube. We're gonna take this tube and we're gonna turn it into our t-shirt yarn. One continuous piece of t-shirt yarn. Let me show you how to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this little edge here, this finished edge, just so we have all raw edges so the yarn doesn't get bulky in a place. I'm gonna save all the little bits and pieces that I cut off of this shirt to make pillow stuffing. So that is just gonna go into my pillow stuffing little bits too small to save pile. I folded the fabric in half, and what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna make the ends even Stevens. I'm gonna offset them a little bit, and I'm gonna put the seams somewhere else, not on the ends, just because I want them to become incorporated in the yarn. You want to make sure your sides are even Stevens, and then we can start cutting. What you want to do, the trick of all this is you want to cut through all the layers except for that top little bit. That's going to keep our yarn together as one piece, and then we can cut one end and it will become magic. I'll show you. Don't worry about it. It's going to be easy as falling out of bed. And cut everything about 1-inch strips. If you get thinner than that, the yarn tends to break and not be as sturdy. Now we've got a little shredded skirt, right? So what we want to do is you want to open this up and cut diagonally. What does that mean exactly? That means we're going to start from this corner and go to this corner, going catty corner all the way down. This will make a continuous loop as we go. And that's it. You have a continuous piece of t-shirt yarn. As you ball it up, give it a stretch so it curls in on itself, and that way the yarn does all the stretching it will ever do before you get busy using it. This is just like one part of one t-shirt, and look how much I have. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more eco-friendly DIYs. We'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, I can't stop recording.